In this class, we basically do accident repair to vehicles. We also get into restorations, customization.
Everything's a giant puzzle. It has one way of going back together, and at the end, you take something that was destroyed and you make it brand new.
It's not just you fix one thing. You've got to know it all: electrical, safety systems, mechanics, the paint and the body, the finish, the welding and fabricating, it all ties together.
We end up getting certified for more than just our trade here at Auburn. So if you get good at it, you can go and be a welder for Lincoln Electric if you want to. So there's other opportunities that expand off of just this class.
There's something a little different in here for everyone. It's a highly lucrative industry that has many spin-offs. Like I just mentioned, kids can go in the insurance industry. Outside of here, you can be a collision tech, shop manager, shop owner, custom painter. There is just a zillion different pathways you can spin off this. One, can't be replaced by AI. Two, you can't outsource it, which means you can't send it off to another country. Three, you can't automate it with robotics. It will always be there. The need for skilled technicians and skilled trades, they're not going away.